Bhakti Vriksha offers all these things.
So Bhakti Vriksha offers all these things.
Care, cultivation, devotional service,
and
it connects people.
And it connects people.
Connects them to each other.
Connects them to each other.
Connects them to the temple.
Connects them to the temple.
Connects them to Krishna.
And accept Krishna.
Bhakti Vriksha, we like to see it as a lifestyle. These devotees are in the Bhakti Vriksha even when they are not in the meeting. The relations are active. Their interactions are happening even if they are not exactly in the meeting. The meeting is very important because it's a chance to get together and build a stronger relation among themselves, integrate with people.
Bhakti Vriksha embodies the mood of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
We got into Krishna consciousness through Asan Sri Ram. He joined the shloka classes. So one fine day we just went to pick him up. Sugla Mataji was there. So she started talking to us slowly, and she said she spoke to us about the Bhakti Vriksha classes which she was conducting every Thursday. She just said, since Sri Ram has already started shloka classes, why don't you just come and attend one Bhakti Vriksha class? So we were little bit, okay, Bhakti Vriksha class, okay, let's go and see what Bhakti Vriksha class is. So one fine Thursday, we just walked into one of the Mataji's house where the Bhakti Vriksha class was being held. That was the beginning. Krishna consciousness just entered to us slowly.
The one thing I would like to add definitely is, after a whole lot of a stressful week, जब हम शाम को यहाँ थर्सडे को आते हैं, जब हम साथ में जाप करते हैं या हम साथ में कीर्तन करते हैं, the positivity automatically reflects, and उसके बाद की आरती, everything, दर्शन, आरती, भोग, everything is just so positive that one sometimes longs to come every, कि वो समय फिर कब आएगा हफ्ते में कि हम वापस वो करें. So technically it's a source of energy for all of us, and the more we get involved in this, the more energy we'll be able to realize.
In the Bhakti Vriksha, we had a nice gathering. It was like a family gathering, and every week we are going, every weekend it was like a recharging ourselves.
और भक्ति वृक्षा क्लासेस में यहाँ पे हम लोग आए तो हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि एक तो ये सारे हफ्ते के जो जितना टेंशन जाता है और हम लोग का रूटीन चेंज होता है. दूसरा, हम लोग मोस्ट ऑफ द थर्सडे बाहर जाते थे, मॉल्स में जाते थे, कभी मूवी देख लिया या कभी बाहर खाना खाने चले गए. तो इट वाज अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड वेस्ट ऑफ मनी ऑल्सो, विच now we are coming, we are getting something for our future life also, not only for this janma, for the next janma as well. और उसके अलावा जब क्लासेस ख़त्म होती, सबसे अच्छा मुझे लगता है जो हम लोग शुरू के 7-8 मिनट जो कीर्तन करते हैं, वो तो एकदम बता नहीं सकते हैं कि कैसा अनुभव होता है उस कीर्तन के समय. उसके बाद माता जी क्लासेस लेती हैं और क्लासेस में काफ़ी कुछ हम लोग डिबेट करते हैं, अपने क्वेश्चंस हम क्लैरिफाई करते हैं, जो भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, और उसको बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से एड्रेस किया जाता है. और वी वेरी ओपन टू ईच अदर। जो भी हम लोग के मन में क्वेरीज होती हैं हम लोग ब्लंटली पूछते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे से उसको सेटिस्फाई किया जाता है। उसके बाद अपना एज यूजुअल प्रसादम का तो अट्रैक्शन रहता ही है हमेशा।
Who is Krishna? All these are very basic questions, but we were like we don't have any knowledge on that aspects because maybe we are more attached to the materialistic life. We were not aware of all our Vedas and scriptures and all. We just heard somewhere. Even the same for my parents also. They used to tell, but not so much in deep. Even Bhagavad Gita. This was the first time after coming to Dubai. I had taken Bhagavad Gita in my hand actually and just open and try to read few slokas just after coming to Krishna consciousness. So I was not aware what is Bhagavad Gita. Just know some basics what is Gita, and even for Bhagavatam, this was some new terminology for me, to be very frank.
It's a very wonderful moment to share our thoughts, our feelings, especially with Krishna conscious moment and with Bhakti Vriksha. My most memorable moment would be, getting blessings from our Guru Maharaj this time when he came. So it's the first time getting so close to with Guru Maharaj and getting his blessings. And with that blessings, we think we would like to progress furthermore. What I've got from Krishna consciousness, I'm very happy that I'm able to give.
So here I attend Thursday's class regularly. Once I get from the office from around 7:45 till night. Before, even if it is a very small time in the week, almost 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, but that is driving your whole week. Complete week, because you go to come to the class, you chant, you pray to God, you sing one Kirtan, and then you read Bhagavad Gita. And the most important thing is, like Mataji or Prabhu was referring to books to read, and then they go through it. So that small para which you read in a week, but it is long way in your mind only for the whole week. Whenever you are in tough situation, also you recall that. Before, that is the most important thing I think. So you are really associating with life, rather than you don't see it as a practice or a religion but you really apply it to the day-to-day life. I think that is the most important change that has made. So I looking forward to have more association and to join more. I think I should.
कॉन्शियसनेस में आके मुझे स्ट्रेंथ मिला। मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ उस पर मुझे अभी बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस है। कोई इफ बट्स नहीं है कि कोई भी आर्ग्यू करे तो मैं हिल नहीं जाती, डर नहीं जाती, और मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस है अभी मैं जो कर रही हूँ बिल्कुल सही है। और उसके बाद मैं भक्ति वृक्षा क्लास में आने लगी, लेडीज क्लास में जाने लगी सुखना कुंदा माता जी के पास। पहले थर्सडेज हमारे इंजॉयमेंट में जाते थे, होटल में जाते थे। अभी थर्सडेज बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो गए हम लोग। वहाँ पर जाके फैमिली जैसा फील होता है। साथ में प्रसादम एक्टिविटी माता जी जो करवाती है उसमें बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअल, उसके साथ बहुत सारा मिलता है, हमें बहुत इंजॉयमेंट रहता है फैमिली।
Actually, in a Thursday we are regularly attending the Bhakti Vriksha classes, where we are doing the kirtan, we are doing the group chanting. There are so many devotees. We have a group association, and last but not least, prasadam. Actually, the prasadam is the if anybody is doing nothing, no chanting, nothing, but if he eat prasadam, then he becomes a good Krishna consciousness.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद बहुत अच्छा ना माइंड को बहुत शांति मिलती है, पीस रहता है। वीकेंड बहुत अच्छा जाता है, पीसफुली, हैप्पीली एक्चुअली। बट आई एम लाइकिंग टू कम हियर। आई थिंक आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा हमेशा।
I'm taking Mataji's class, and my Prabhu is taking Bhakti Vriksha class, and we are taking, even I am taking children's class, started taking, but the thing is, in this all this thing, we are not that we are giving. In fact, we are taking more by giving, by reading the scriptures and.
यशोदानन्दन कंसनिसूदन निकुञ्जन रासविलासी कदम्बकानन रसप्रयानन वृन्दाविपिन निवासी
आनन्दवर्धन प्रेम निकेतन फूल सरोज जको काम गोपांगनागन चित्त विनोदन समस्त गुणगण धाम विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्रा छाड़ी उठ जीव भल हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीव.
Initially, our Thursdays used to be very in a different mode altogether. And today's Thursdays are, as Mataji said, now it is different. Initially, the Thursdays, it would just happen. Our friends will walk in, day-to-day routine, and you had the usual food habits. We used to have non-veg and drinks and party and everything. It could be in our house, it could be in somebody else's house. Things have changed, but in a different way. Today we have Krishna within ourselves, and everything is rotating around Krishna. Today we have satsang, we meet in the similar way, but the intoxication is different. Today it's only Krishna.
Every Thursday, even sometimes I am busy, but my wife forced me to, no, we have to go to attend Bhakti Vriksha class, and that is what and within once when she came back here, she got immediately Krishna conscious climate. And
the Prabhupada books were very nice, so I came to know what is life now, because my life before coming into Krishna consciousness was completely different. I used to waste time spending each and every day, especially on the weekends, partying with people. But now the life has completely changed after coming into Krishna consciousness. I'm spending my time. It's not only me, even my family, my kids. I have involved my kids also into Krishna consciousness.
पहले जब हम इस्कॉन में नहीं था तब हम अलग अलग देवी देवताओं की पूजा करते थे और उपवास करते थे, एकादशी फॉलो नहीं करते थे, और कृष्ण के बारे में हमें कुछ भी ज्ञान नहीं था. फिर जब हमने भक्ति वृक्षा क्लास ज्वाइन किया तब से हम एकादशी करते हैं और सब उपवास बंद कर दिया.
Coming to this Bhakti Vriksha class, whenever I have or we have some doubts, we are directly asking to Mataji, not only in Bhakti Vriksha class, even any moment, if I have some doubt, I'm just calling her, asking her about what to do in this situation, what I can do, or if I'm reading something, a question come up, I am asking her.
हम लोग मैं सेकेंड टाइम कैरी कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी ये जो मेरा बच्चा आने वाला है वो पहले से जन्म से पहले ही बहुत कुछ सीख रहा है, उसको बहुत अच्छे संस्कार मिलेंगे. तो मैं इसलिए बहुत खुश हूँ कि अभी जो आएगा उसको बहुत अच्छा सब कुछ मिलेगा.
I want to transfer the same thing to my family as well. It's not only my family, my wife, my kids. Even I want to share my experience as well as want to give the knowledge what I've shared with my parents, my brothers and sisters. I want, even including my friends as well, I want they also to get this Harinam, so which can change their life.
And not only Thursdays, she keeps us busy with Fridays and Saturdays as well, with lot of sevas. But she doesn't give us time to breathe. But I am enjoying every minute of it with Krishna in the center. Krishna consciousness is such a great moment. I really don't know what to say, especially to Mataji, Prabhu, and all other devotees associated with us.
Now all the anxieties are gone actually.
Namaste Saraswati.
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हे कृष्ण